Hi everybody, my name is Stacey. So you can see I have already inserted my sensor. At this point, I sometimes use an extra adhesive to help the tape stick better. To apply it, I rub the adhesive around the sensor where the oval tape is going to stick. And then I'm careful when I wipe underneath this adhesive pad that I hold on to the sensor so that it doesn't wiggle around. Just like so. I'm going to give that about 30 seconds or so to dry, and then I'm going to remove the paper liner like so. And now I'm ready to put on the rest of the tape. So with every sensor, Medtronic sends 2 pieces of oval tape that look just like this. Each piece has a liner labeled number 1 and 2 liners labeled number 2. What I'm going to do is first peel off liner number 1, and I'm going to tape it so that the wide part of the tape is covering half of the sensor and half on my skin. Now I'm going to position the tape so that the connector right here isn't blocked, and I'm going to put the rest of the tape down over the sensor adhesive. Now all I have to do is take off the 2 other liners on either side and smooth it all down. Now we're ready to put on the transmitter. So now I'm going to connect my transmitter and wait for the green light. Once you've seen the green light, now we can carefully tape the flap up over the transmitter. Now we're ready to put on the second piece of oval tape. Just like the first piece of tape, we are going to remove the liner with the number 1 label, but this time I'm going to make sure that the wide part of the tape is covering the back of the transmitter. And then I'm going to peel each label with the number 2 and lie it flat. This tape is enough for most people, but I have friends that like to put on a piece of over tape on top of this just to make sure it sticks for longer. I have a piece of over tape that I bought online. So if you want to use this, you simply place it over the top of the taping I just did, like this. Those are the key steps I follow when it comes to taping. I hope this video helps you. Thanks for watching.